In today's video, I'll show you how to hide related products in WooCommerce so your product pages stay clean, focused, and distraction free. This is a simple change and you can do it in just a minute. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you control every part of your website. Once you're inside, look for the Appearance section on the left side. Click Appearance, then select Customize. The Customize panel lets you adjust your site design with a live preview, which makes it easy to see your changes instantly. Inside this menu, scroll down and click Additional CSS. This is where you'll paste a small CSS snippet that hides related products from your WooCommerce product pages. Just paste the code into the box and you will immediately see the related products section disappear in the preview. CSS changes are safe and reversible. So if you ever want related products to return, you can simply remove the code. Once you're satisfied, make sure to click Publish. This final step applies the change to your live site, ensuring all product pages stay clean and focused for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully hidden related products in WooCommerce with just a few quick steps. Thanks for watching and check out our other tutorials to keep optimizing your WordPress site.